What is FBA sales optimization software? FBA sales optimization software is a powerful digital tool designed to help Amazon sellers maximize their sales and profitability through fulfillment by Amazon FBA. It combines advanced analytics, automation, and keyword tracking to improve every aspect of the selling process, from product listings and advertising to pricing and reviews. The goal is to increase visibility, boost conversions, and enhance the overall performance of your FBA business. This software analyzes key data such as keyword rankings, customer behavior, and sales trends to identify what's working and what needs improvement. It also helps sellers automate pricing strategies, monitor product performance, and optimize ad campaigns for better returns. By offering real-time insights and actionable recommendations, FBA sales optimization software turns data into smart, revenue-boosting decisions. Most Amazon sellers rely on Helium 10 as their go-to FBA sales optimization software. With tools like Cerebro, Frankenstein, Atomic, and Listing Analyzer, Helium 10 provides a complete suite for managing product visibility, advertising performance, and profitability. Sellers can use it to pinpoint high-performing keywords, track rankings, and refine their strategies for consistent growth. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to optimize FBA sales, track performance, and grow your Amazon business efficiently at no cost.